Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can add a data table anywhere on your website. You can do this by using the data table widget of the htmega plugin. Let me show you how. From the Elementor widget panel, search for the data table widget. Now drag the widget to a section. From the table layout panel, you can select a layout for the table. Enable this option to display the sorting options. In the sorting options panel, you can choose whether you want to display these options or not. From this panel, you can insert the column names for the table header. Add more columns if you need. In the table content panel, you can insert your data for the corresponding columns. From the Style tab, you can manage all the necessary styles for this widget. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions regarding this widget, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you.